If your loved one has trouble remembering to check to see if the doors are locked before going to bed, if they have a voice assistant like this one, I'll just call Alex now so I don't trigger it. They could ask it for each of the door locks to see their status. But that's a lot of commands to make. So what I did is I added a button here, which will do it for you.
I'm checking the door locks. Oh, the casita door is unlocked.
So now I know the door's not locked. What I could do is hold this button a longer time.
I'm locking the casita door. Locking. Hang on. The casita door lock is locked. All the doors are locked.
Okay, that's good, but let's say for some emergency they might need to unlock the door. What I want to show you is I have a button here that I have this little latch cover over it so it's distinctive. If I squeeze that,
I am unlocking the casita door. What's your voice code for casita door lock? Unlocking. Hang on. The casita door lock is unlocked.
okay, so it knew enough to pass in the voice code too. And just one last thing, if I get into bed here, I want to show you how you could trip those routines too.
I'm checking the door locks. Oh, the casita door is unlocked.
Oh, that's all there is to it. Just using some routines to pull the locks and making an easy response back to your loved one.